In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix your Premiere Pro layout. So if you've accidentally deleted one of your windows on your Adobe Premiere Pro project, for example, we have effect controls on this left-hand side. If I just go ahead and accidentally close this, and let's also say I accidentally close this timeline down here, then I'm going to show you how we can recover these items. So what you need to do is head over to Window from the top here, and then just go ahead and check the window that we want to re-add. So let's go ahead and re-add effect controls. And if we want to re-add the timeline, we can come all the way down to here and select timeline. Now, if you're not sure what you deleted or you're not sure how to get it back, then the last thing you can do is come over to Window at the top, and we're going to scroll all the way up to here, come over to workspaces, and we can just press reset to saved layout. And what that's going to do is it's going to reset all of your layout in Adobe. So it would be like when you first set up the application, and now we have all of our effects and things like that just automatically reappear for us. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you reset your layout in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.